Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you keeping today? Okay, we are fine. Intan, you look so good today. You look so happy. And Yuvia, you look so sad today. Is everything all right?
I'm sleepy, Miss.
Have you eaten, all of you?
No.
Okay. But you still spirit to study this morning? Yes. Before, I want to take attendance list first. Arini,
Present, Miss.
Ainun, Pia,
Present.
Roy, Intan, Putri, Nova. Okay, thank you. Well, the motivation today is your future is what you do today, not tomorrow. Move to topic. Our topic today is narrative text. Do you know narrative text?
No.
Anyone know?
No.
Okay, about Malin Kundang and Sangkuriang, do you know? Yes. This example is some kinds from narrative text. Okay, next. Yeah. Narrative text is used to tell a story that has an interconnected chronological sequence of events. Then, narrative text is some types of text that tell or describe some story sequence of event. Understand? Now I want to give you the example from narrative text. There are not example but kind or part of narrative text. The first is folktale, legend, fairy tale, fable, myth, horror, romance, and short story. The first example is Cinderella. Do you know Cinderella?
Yes.
Second is Sangkuriang. The third is the Goose and Gold Egg. Ever heard of that story?
Yes.
Next. Okay, this is the purpose of narrative text. There are 6 kinds. The first is tell a story about. The second is entertain the reader. Next, amuse the reader. Next, make happy the reader. And the fifth is deal the reader, and the last is narrate a story about. Then, the purpose from the narrative text is to inform or to make happy the reader by presenting a story. Then, when we read a story from narrative text, we feel happy. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, next. Okay, we move to generic structure. The first is orientation, second complication, third resolution, and the last is reorientation. The first orientation is divide 2 kinds. The first is human, the second is place and time. The human is like Sangkuriang, like Cinderella, like Snow White, Frozen. And the second time and place is like the example about place is kingdom. Second, river. The third is, anyone can give me example from the place in narrative text? Danau Toba, Toba Lake ya? Yes. Yes, the mountain in Tangkuban Perahu, Prambanan. Okay, do you, some of you, much of you, have know about the place of narrative text? Second is complication. In the complication is there are problem and raised. And the third is resolution. In resolution is the ending from text, happy or sad ending. I want to ask you about Cinderella. What is the ending from that story? Happy ending. About Malin Kundang, what is the ending from the story? Sad ending. And the fourth is reorientation. In the reorientation, we can take a moral value or the message from the story. Understand?
Yes.
In the I repeat once again. In the reorientation, we can take the moral value or the message from the story. Next. Okay, we move to language feature. The first is simple past tense. The second is past continuous. The third is past perfect. And the last is direct and indirect speech. In simple past tense, I can give you one example. Like Cinderella was a beautiful girl or a beautiful princess. Past continuous. When Cinderella was run out from the kingdom, the prince was looked for from the Cinderella. From past perfect, when prince was run out from kingdom, the Cinderella was run from the kingdom. And the last example from direct and indirect speech is Cinderella said to the mom, if she want to follow to the kingdom. And indirect speech, the prince said to the guard if he want to find the shoe owner. Glass. Okay, thank you. Now I want to give you some exercise. The exercise is you must find one example from narrative text about folk tale or fable or myth or short story or romance. You must found one example and collect to me tomorrow.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, Miss.
The homework must be good.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Now,
Must be excellent.
any question from the narrative text? Nothing, yeah? I think you have understood this material.
Yes.
Insyaallah.
Clearly, your explanation so clear.
Okay, thank you. Now, we must stop our study because our time is up. Thank you for your nice attention to me. And the last I ask your pardon if I make many mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berapa menit ya?